Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD, Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NME-ICT. Let us start learning.
Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn cyber marketing.
Welcome to e-Content on Marketing Management. Today we will talk about the cyber marketing. Cyber, as you are very well aware of, it's the most hot topic in the world of marketing right now. We know every day we get most of the promotional offers either through the mail or through the messages. The message which we receive on the phone itself denotes one of the mode of cyber marketing. Let us understand what is cyber marketing. Cyber marketing has now become an indispensable segment of e-commerce as well as the internet and worldwide web related topics. Cyber marketing simply refers to a technique of attracting potential customers by advertising your products or services on the internet. In other words, cyber marketing is a blend of internet technology and marketing principles that is adopted by business owners to find profitable customers and to interact them in order to enhance their business activities, thereby ensuring improved return on investment. Benefits derived from the adoption of cyber marketing techniques are immense. First of all, it enables to minimize business cost and helps you to reach a substantial number of customers, and that too with minimal time frame. Also, a significant benefit of cyber marketing is that it enables you to win profitable customers, exceptionally low marketing costs, high profit margin, increased customer loyalty, round the clock services, and expansion in customer base are the other obvious benefits of cyber marketing. Knowledge of cyber marketing helps such areas as strategies as well as techniques involved in online marketing, role of e-business in restructuring the traditional distribution systems, way of designing advertising campaign and advertising banner, how to employ email marketing, blog advertising, viral marketing and Google advertising, what is search engine optimization and how to increase web visitor count through SEO, how to develop contents that should be included in a website, web analysis, and aspects covering ethical, legal, and political sides of cyber marketing. In order to understand this cyber marketing, let us go through a proposed model for the cyber marketing. If you look at the screen on my left hand side, you will come across the very first quadrant, that is internet marketing environment. Second one, promotional offer. These two takes you to some stage, that is consumer online shopping behavior, which is equally affected by product characteristics and familiarity and confidence. These four factors together decides consumer online shopping behavior. Now let us understand the impact of this cyber marketing. In a fast-paced society, everything has to be done in an instant. Everything costs more. Everything moves faster. The good thing is that we can have anything we want in just one click. We have the different technological advances right within our reach, time efficient and cost effective, which make our way of life more convenient. All of these realities of modern society have been in the name of progress. One of the most popular, most obvious technological advances at present is the internet, which provides the users convenience from entertainment to education and from personal concerns to business matters. Indeed, the internet introduces many unique benefits of marketing, including low cost in distribution information and media to a global audience. Internet marketing is growing faster than other types of media. Since exposure, response and overall efficiency of internet media is easier to track the traditional offline media. Through the use of web analytics, for instance, internet marketing can offer a greater sense of accountability for advertisers. Increasingly, however, marketers and their clients are becoming aware of the need to measure the collaborative effects of marketing. That is how the internet affects in store sales. One of the benefits associated with internet marketing is the availability of great amounts of information. Compared to traditional media, such as print, radio and TV, internet marketing can have a relatively low cost of entry. Consumers can access the internet and research products as well as purchase them at any hour of any day. Companies that use internet marketing can also save money because of a reduced need for a sales force. Overall, internet marketing can help a business expansion from a local market to a national or international one faster. It continues to grow in its importance as most companies have been making substantial commitments to add internet marketing to their marketing mix. Other benefits are measurability, flexibility, affordability. Internet marketing has over other traditional marketing outlets, and these benefits are especially attractive to homemade business. The effect of the ad industry itself has been profound. Internet marketing has had a large impact on several industries, including music, banking, and flea markets, as well as the advertising industry itself. As advertisers increase and shift more of their budgets online, it is now overtaking radio in terms of the marketing share. Internet marketing, however, requires to use newer technologies than traditional one. The reason why not all people may get the message. Low speed internet connections are one barrier. If companies build overly large or complicated web pages, some internet users struggle to download the information on dial-up connections or mobile services. From the buyer's perspective, another limitation is the inability of shoppers to touch, smell, test or try on tangible goods before making an online purchase. However, it is an industry standard for e-commerce vendors to have liberal written policies, in-store picks-up services to reassure the customers. Everyone seems to be jumping on the internet marketing bandwagon lately. In the race to get their business online, many successful businesses forget to ask themselves some tough questions about what they are doing, what their expectations are, and what their plan is to meet those expectations. The internet can be a powerful tool that can put you on a solid footing with bigger companies. On the other end, the other companies may have more money to pay for advertising. Let us understand the advantages and disadvantages of internet marketing. Very first advantage is that it's a 24/7 open store, which is open through the worldwide. Second, the cost of spreading your message is next to nothing. You just post one message and that would be delivered across the globe. Third, updating your subscribers can be done almost instantly through email. You can use group emails in order to promote your offers. Fourth, if you have an information sensitive business such as law firm, newspaper or online magazine, you can deliver your products directly to your customers without having to use a courier. Having understood the advantages, now let's visit on the disadvantages of internet marketing. The very first, online marketing is not free. The cost of software, hardware, website design, maintenance of your site, online distribution costs, and of course time, all must be factored into the cost of providing your services or the product. Second, slightly over 50% of households shop online. While that number will continue to grow, you are reaching less than 2 out of 3 households. Third, the internet is still regarded as source of information gathering for the majority of your customers. Of the number of visitors to your site, the vast majority of visitors who are motivated to buy will do so in person. Many people prefer the live interaction when they buy. If you have a small business with one location, this may deter customers from buying. Fourth, it is easier to have outdated information on your site. Thus, timing of updates is extremely critical. There is no replacement of good old-fashioned customer service. The majority of the internet marketers lack customer service and inquiry response programs. The majority of internet marketers lack customer service and inquiry response programs, which results into generation of newer inquiries for your products as well as the services. Very important point from the cyber laws perspective, whether your site is secured one or not. Does your customer know this? Whether your site is being surveilled or not? Whether the information which you put through the net will be reaching to the other destinations or not? In simple words, whatever the transactions, internet transactions takes place, the information sensitivity is very high, which is in many instances considered to be extremely personal, private. As a result of this, many of your visitors will not want to use the credit card to make a purchase. This is very true, because the credit card information will be uploaded on the net, which could be visible by anybody. So this is a great risk of the internet marketing. Another disadvantage is there is a lot of competition for your product already out there. By the time your visitors finds you, they have already been clicking many links. Unless they can find what they are looking for quickly, they are gone. Many web visitors expect something for free. What you have to offer to them? In today's market, customers are expecting some schemes, promotional schemes, and every scheme which is available on the net, how fast and how long it will be having a variety. There are many other pros and cons of the internet marketing. It's important for you to consider each when creating your internet marketing strategy. Each of the disadvantages can be overcome, but only if you view the customer experience from the eyes of your customers, not as an internet marketer. I hope this would have sufficed your objective so far the basic orientation with respect to cyber marketing is concerned. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.